Gandtrack Asia was formed in 2008 and established in 2009 to support an A320 program in tooling technology. Three fundamental principles: passion, purpose and excellence. We believe that tooling is not just about attaining best quality parts, but about fulfilling client highest expectation and making positive impact globally.
To achieve this, it's required to have clear sense of purpose, deep passion and pursue for excellence, constantly learning, growing and improving, pushing the boundaries of possibilities.
We manufacture and supply high quality tools, including drills, reamers, crosscut routers and PCD countersinks for composite cutting applications.
Awarded with ISO 9001, we are equipped with a full product lifecycle support facility to assist with all areas of cutting tools, regrinding and refurbishment.
We provide technical support by training and guiding our customers to choose the right tools for the best possible outcomes based on their preferred applications. We offer consultation that suits our customer needs for tooling research and development process. We also have collaboration with local universities such as University Science Malaysia, USM, and University Technical Melaka, UTEM.
The University Science Malaysia teams and Gandtrack Asia Sdn Bhd has made significant strides in reducing the time and cost associated with the aircraft productions. This partnership has not only resulted in the creation of innovative tools and technologies, but has also facilitated the sharing of knowledge and expertise between both organizations.
We provide exceptional products and service to our client while maintaining high ethical standard, promoting sustainability and financial success. We believe through innovation, higher quality product and collaborative inclusive work will justify consumer satisfaction. Our goal is to ensure our customer satisfaction and become market leader for tooling technology.
Total customer satisfaction is the company's primary objective and is achieved by recognizing, understanding and evaluating customers' needs and trying to fulfill them.
Finding a composite cutting solutions? You know the drill.